The ocean is host to a wide variety of biological life, ranging from the tiniest bacteria to the largest blue whale. All this life, however, is threatened by the presence of ocean debris.
Most of the debris in our oceans is man-made and ends up in the oceans due to humans. Examples of different man-made debris are plastics, glass, metals, rubber, fishing gear, and different types of vessels.
Ocean debris is a real threat to our environment and can come in all shapes and sizes, ranging from a plastic water bottle thrown in the water in Galveston to the Pacific garbage patch. According to the National Geographic Society, there are over 5.25 trillion pieces of plastic in our oceans today.
Here on Shell Beach, we see a variety of ocean debris, both washed up and tossed from the land. Despite its empty look, Shell Beach is host to a wide variety of fish, crustaceans, bivalves, birds, and more. All of which rely on the beach being debris-free for their own survival. All this debris can injure, choke, or even kill these creatures, causing mass disruption in the food chain. In larger amounts, the ocean debris can block out sunlight, preventing autotrophs from photosynthesizing, causing water temperature to decrease, and overcrowd space, leaving little room for organisms to survive.
Marine debris is a major hazard for marine life, especially seabirds. Nearly half of all seabirds are known to eat plastic, with that going to 99% in 2050. In the Pacific Ocean, one of the main threatened species is albatrosses. They are being threatened along with many others due to plastic having the same appearance as their prey.
Marine debris can be used by organisms to get transported to other parts of the ocean, and this leads to greater distribution range for some marine organisms and invasive species, which is a primary threat to global biodiversity.
Some marine debris, such as fishing line and plastic rings, can entangle wildlife such as marine mammals, sea turtles, and birds. This entanglement often leads to choking or the need for amputation if the sea animal is lucky to be rescued. This can severely impact their lives and deem them non-releasable, such as in the case of Calypso, a sea turtle found by the Riverhead Foundation for Marine Research and Preservation and cared for at the National Aquarium in Baltimore until her passing in 2020.
What does this mean for us? To put it simply, it can cause damage to us and our bodies. Debris like microplastics can be affected by what they are, but also by what they absorb. They can absorb toxic substances like mercury and pesticides. You may think, how do they end up in us? Fish and other marine organisms eat the microplastics, among other forms of debris, and through the food chain, some of those fish get eaten and we absorb the microplastics. Microplastics and chemicals can cause reproductive issues, hormonal issues, and even organ damage.
Many cleanup methods are being used, such as corralling the trash in a net and raising the net into the boat to take the trash out of the ocean. Another method is beach cleanups, which anyone can do. Some of the trash from the ocean can end up on the beach, and we can all do our part to minimize ocean debris by simply cleaning up our beaches. This can save the ocean and nearshore environment and the animals that live in them.
Some positive changes we can make to minimize ocean debris is to 1. Eliminate your use of single-use plastic cups. Plastic is one of the biggest parts of ocean debris, with over 1 million tons of plastic entering the ocean annually. 2. Sign petitions for corporations and other organizations to stop using the ocean as a cesspool. And 3. Bring awareness to the issue by placing signs along the Pacific coast, letting people know about debris, and going to events to help minimize the damage caused by debris.